In this video, I'm showing you how to download AliExpress videos. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. So in the guide, I cover the full steps of downloading AliExpress videos, and make sure you watch the whole video as I cover some really important things. So now let's go and get into this tutorial. So the first thing of course you need to do is simply go to aliexpress.com. Now in this tutorial you don't need to use any website or downloader. I'm showing you how to do it all through AliExpress. Now a quick note, do make sure you have some sort of copyright permission or the clips are free to use, which are in the video you'll be downloading. Otherwise you could be possibly breaking some copyright rules if you don't own the clips, but it may be free to use, so just do some research on that. But the first thing you want to do is go and find this video, and once you've got this video you can then download it and put it on your own dropshipping site or just your own Shopify site, however you want to do it. So let's go and find a video. So for example, I'm just going to go and see if this say dog water one has got a video. So I click here and we'll see if it's got a video or not. So as you can see, it seems to have a video. So I'm going to turn my volume off a minute, and you want to go and click on play. You can go and see the video. Now a quick note, if you go and preview it like I did and start watching it, this is not going to work. If you do that, simply refresh the page. It's not an issue, just refresh the page. It needs to be in this form here where it's got the play button. So make sure it's got that play button, and then all you want to do is go over onto the video and right click on it. Then you're going to have this option here, inspect. Or you could do the shortcut Control Shift and I personally just right click and do inspect. Then it's going to go and open up inspect element. Now this may just come onto the right hand side of the screen and it may be on the left, but mine's popped out for some reason. Then all you want to do is simply go and look for video wrap. Then click on here on the little downwards arrow. And then here we go, we've now got this link here. So once you've got this link, then all you want to do is simply go over where you see the link, right click over the link and go and click open in new tab. Click there, then it's going to go and take you to the actual video where we can go and download it. To download it, all you want to do is simply go and click on the three dots in the bottom right, as you can see download, or you can right click on it and click save video as. But I'm going to go and click on the three dots and click download, and then it's going to go and drop the download. I'm going to click on it here, and as you can see, it's now fully working. And you can go and use it for whatever you like, but like I said before, make sure you do have the proper permissions for it. If you found this video useful, please go down below, hit the subscribe button, and leave a like for more. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.